And I found nature the gentlest mother. And I went, well, there she is. There's Mother Nature with us. And what I love is that it will line us back up to the sound of Ives and the woodwinds that Ives brings into his unanswered questions, and they get to come back later and come back into the tapestry of the album and of the project. But the text of it is so beautiful, and I think it's a really wonderful moment to come back and remember or meet Mother Nature in the nurturing role that she plays. We're experiencing a lot of her power right now. Hurricanes, tornadoes, fires, floods. It's a lot right now. But there is also this motherly, protective, nurturing side to her. And that's what this piece brings into it. There's a beautiful moment at the end where, she's taking care of just the smallest little creatures, the squirrel that's a little bit rambunctious and stepping out and all this. And she's like, shh, 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 y'all are good. And then she leans over, she bends over. If she's lit her lamps for the night, the stars have come out in the sky, and she puts her golden finger to her lips, and she wills silence everywhere. We could talk a lot about the power of silence, but that reminder of, shh, you've done your day, you've done your things, and now be quiet. And it's a wonderful invitation of tranquility and repose. And it's an element that I wanted to bring into this project to remember we also have to stop, take a deep breath, rest, recover a bit, and feel like this breeze that is coming right now that is glorious. Just also feel her benevolence